Ako kakanta lang. This is the moment.
What is still lucky? What is still lucky? It's... Okay, I asked the secretary of source to please get the candles, the nuptial candles to Anjali and Aura Marie.
Sino si... Ipo. Balik kayo ni Marika. Mamaya na mamaya. Papatay lang naman.
Ipo. Father eh. Dati pala ito sa comedy ba? Father eh. Tagal naman mag-is. Ayan na, baka masunog pa yung belo ah. Ayan. Ayan sila oh. So ito siya. Albert. Congratulations!
Now we are presenting to you Mr. and Mrs. Anthony and Aura Marie Cooper. Let's give them a big and newly wedded couple. Okay then, congratulations Mr. Cooper Anthony and best wishes Aura Marie Cooper. This is not yet the end. You have still the document to sign. Where's the document?
Binibitin pa, binibitin.
Father, pagod na ako rito.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Ba't anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Ay, nihintay mo yung ano.
Okay then. I'm kindly a picture of you of where
Oh.
Mr.
Hindi sa mamaya.